welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about two pairs of Jordans. They are, I guess, not that recent. Well, this is kind of recent and then this came out a while ago, but I picked it up kind of recently. And I think you guys already know why I bought two pairs of grey Jordans, because at this stage, I'm really compensating for the fact that I don't have a pair of Air Diors, and I think I've come to terms that I will not have a pair of them anytime soon. Like maybe one day in the future, I might pick up a pair, but I can only imagine the price to be like crazier than it already is. But for now, I still do not have a pair of Air Diors, and there is a missing spot in my heart for these sneakers. That is pretty much why I picked up these two pairs of Jordan 1s. Because they are grey. I know it's a little bit sad, but you guys know what I mean. But I still think this is a really nice colorway. So this is the Air Jordan 1 Highs in the light smoke grey colorway. It did come out maybe 2 weeks ago now, and I got it a little bit late, and that's why I have not posted a video about it. I was gonna do it earlier, but then I thought since I missed the release, I wasn't sure if you guys wanted to see it. But since I had two pairs here, I thought I'll just do a quick little unboxing and show you guys. So yeah, with this sneaker, I'm actually pretty surprised with how much I like it. After I bought the sneaker and before I got them in hand, I was just thinking like maybe I'll just sell them when I do get them. But now that I've tried them on, I actually think they look quite nice. Like I do like the suede on the upper of the sneaker. You can see the grey here is a suede material as well as the swoosh on the sneaker. And I also do like the pop of red. At the moment, it's laced with a set of black laces, but they do give you a set of white laces, which I actually prefer the look of the white laces. And I've heard people saying that this was somewhat inspired by the Jordan 1 Unions. And I guess I can see where they're coming from, but I think you really can't compare it to the Unions. Those are definitely something that I need in my collection as well, because I don't have a pair. But yeah, back to the light smoke greys, I think they look really good. Like I said, I do like the pop of red. My other go-to Jordan 1 with a pop of red would be the satin black toes. I feel like these are probably my most worn Jordan 1s. Whenever I can't think about what to wear, I definitely go for these because I think these look good with almost everything, and I don't think it's too big of a flex. Like it's kind of casual, but like it's not like too casual, if you guys know what I mean. So these are definitely my go-to, but I do enjoy these light smoke greys. Obviously we're under lockdown here in Melbourne, so I have not worn these out of my apartment. Now looking at the outsole of the sneaker, it does have a black outsole, but I think, you know, the simple colorway definitely works, and I think this is quite a vibe. And then another pair of grey Jordan 1s that I picked up. This is a pair of mids, obviously, and it is the smoke grey mids that I paid resale for because I just was so desperate for a pair of Air Diors that I just wanted a pair of grey Jordans. You guys know how much I've been hyped about the Air Diors. So I actually picked this up like a couple of months ago, and I just never spoke about it on my channel. I have worn it a few times since. And yeah, I feel like these definitely look great on feet. You can see that it does have this grey, white and black colorway. It is a mid like I mentioned before, but that doesn't really bother me. I think it's still quite a good look. It does have a nice grey outsole. And yeah, to me, this is the closest I would get to a pair of Air Diors. So to the untrained eye, and with a lot of imagination, this could potentially look like a pair of Air Diors on feet from like really, really far away. Obviously, it doesn't even come close. I just thought it would be fun to see what this would look like with the oblique swoosh. So I did like print this out and like stuck it on with some double-sided tape. So I would not recommend wearing this if it's raining, or just try not to walk too much with these sneakers because the swoosh will fall off. I wanted to stick like a white Air Dior here, like the pair of Air Diors, but my printer ran out of ink today, so I could not do that. So that is why we just have to like imagine that this is actually like a white Air Dior logo. And also when you buy these sneakers, they come with a set of black laces, but I swapped it out with the white laces from my smoke greys because I just feel like it looks a little bit better with the white laces. It just makes the sneaker look a lot brighter, and like, let's just be real, in my heart I just want to think these are Air Diors. The other pair of Jordan 1s that a lot of people are saying it's a close alternative to the Air Diors would be the Racer Blue pair, and I checked on StockX today and the prices are pretty high on those, so I guess that would be the main reason why, because yeah, it does come pretty close aesthetically to the Air Diors, but I mean, clearly I have too much time, guys, and that is why I've done this mock-up. So here's what they look like on feet. I am wearing my Dior jumper as well as my Dior pants with the Alix buckle, so hopefully this gives you a slight illusion that this maybe could be a pair of Air Diors. I don't want to come any closer because you guys can probably see how bad this looks. Okay, I will show you guys. I'll try not to move too much because my little stick-on is actually coming off. Let me just fix that. It's just held on with like some double-sided tape. I want to say to the untrained eye, they look alright. Obviously, I would never wear these out. But yeah, I just thought it would be a fun little mock-up to do. Also with this pair, you know, this is what it would look like if you wanted it to be a pair of Air Diors. Obviously, you can see the main flaw here is the red detail on the sneaker, but I guess if you wear like looser or longer pants, you might not be able to tell. It does have the black outsole, which again is very far off from the pair of Air Diors. Now I have yet to see a pair in person, so obviously don't take this part too seriously, guys. I just really wanted to see what these look like mocked up as a pair of Air Diors. I'm sure you guys have already seen that video with Sean Worspoon and Thibaut, and they spoke about the Air Diors. I think that video was really, really great, and after watching that I wanted the Air Diors even more because they showed all the little details like the insole, and like even if you lifted the insole on the inside there was like this Dior oblique like leather thing. Anyway, I'll link the video down below if you guys haven't seen it. I think it's a really great video, and yeah, I feel like I appreciated the thought and the craftsmanship behind the Air Diors a little bit more after watching that video, but I would still love to see a pair in person. Yeah, just to check out those little details, and that would be pretty cool. But yeah, I still haven't seen one in person. I really want to, so I might go past like one of the consignment stores here when I can, because obviously we're not meant to leave our homes now because of lockdown. So one day I will see a pair in person, but for now I think I will settle for my pair of Air Diors, my DIY homemade version that I can wear at home for myself to see and feel a little bit better about myself. And to touch on sizing, for me the Air Jordan 1s fit true to size, so just go for your regular sizing. So I have them in a men's US 6 and they fit fine. Okay, this one I had to buy in a men's US 7 because I could not get it in my size, but I think that's fine as well. Obviously it is one size too big for me, but I guess on feet, if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't think my shoes are too big for me. But yeah, in terms of sizing, Air Jordan 1s to me fit true to size, so just go for your regular sizing. But yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit short, a little bit random, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. And one more thing before I go, I have yet to get my pair of the Off-White Jordan 4s, but I will definitely get it. So I'm thinking my unboxing video will probably be up on Monday, but I was wondering whether you guys would like to see like a live unboxing on Monday. Like, could that be something you guys would be interested in, or would you rather just watch like an actual review video? Or we could do both as well. Let me know in the comments below. I haven't done a live video on my own channel, so potentially it could be a little bit awkward. So if you guys don't mind that, then I could do that for you guys as well. I could do like the live unboxing, and then I could do like a more comprehensive like review after, and then maybe do like some on feet and like some outfit ideas. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would prefer to see from me, whether you want just one or both. Let me know. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really, really soon. Bye. I seem to figure out the right angle for my camera these days. Oh my god, I forgot to put on the mic. What am I even doing? I keep getting these two shoes mixed up. Like, do they have the same name? I feel like, why do I not know the difference between the names? Okay, I think this is smoke grey and then the other one is light smoke grey. Need to get my shit together, guys. The Air Jordan 1 highs in the today's video, we are going to be talking about two pairs of, oh my god. I think I almost dropped it. Let's do that again.